Hey there! I will present you 11 easy ways to make $1,000 fast and legally. At least 5 of them I tried myself. Stay tuned till the very end. The method that requires you to just know English. Method number 1. Get paid to do market research. You've probably seen ads for paid market research studies while scrolling through Facebook or shopping online and thought, that's scam. But it's totally not. There is a huge market for consumer data that companies can use to improve their products and increase sales. And guess where the data comes from? That's right. You. These companies want to know what you think about the products and services you use every day, and they're willing to pay you for that. Some companies will pay you just for signing up, and here are a few of our readers' favorites. Method number 2. Drive with Uber and Uber Eats. Take it from an Uber driver yourself. Driving with Uber is a sweet side hustle. As a driver, you get to meet and have conversations with tons of interesting people, and you get paid weekly. I started driving with Uber in late 2016 and easily added an extra $200–400 to my monthly income with just a few hours a weekend. Your individual earnings may vary and are affected by many factors including location, demands, time of day, and others. In 2017, Uber rolled out several new features that allow drivers to earn even more money. Riders can now tip directly in their app and not charged a cancellation fee for bailing on their rides. And on top of that, Uber Eats has grown to include even more cities. To make the most with this side hustle, try to drive during search times in your area. Method number 3. Rent your car when you're not using it. While I like driving for Uber, I cannot do it all the time. When I'm at work, spending time with my family, and sleeping, my car is just sitting in the driveway being useless. So I thought, why not put it to work? This is how I discovered Getaround, the car sharing app that lets you rent your vehicle to others when you're not using it. Just like with Uber, the company covers drivers with a premium insurance policy. They also handle the logistics of renting out your car so you don't have to deal with scheduling and handling over keys. How fast you can make $1,000 with Getaround depends on the market rental rate for your own car and how many hours you can rent it per week. Getaround estimates that most cars in the United States sit idle for an average of 22 hours per day. If you can rent your car for just 25 hours a week at $5 an hour, that's an extra $500 a month. Method number 4. Cash in on freebies. You may be down to your last few dollars, but you still have to buy groceries for the week, right? Make those dollars count. Use Ibotta and any other cashback apps you can find to get money back on the essential everyday purchases. Other freebies opportunities to jump on. Dosh. This is a cashback app that will give you $5 for each card that you link. Ebates. Another big cashback site app that will give you $10 after you spend $25. Inbox Dollars, a market research site that gives users a $5 sign-up bonus. You won't make $1,000 fast with this one alone, but again, when you're broke, every cent matters. Method number 5. Hold gas with AirBnB. If you have a room to spare in your home, then AirBnB could be the perfect side hustle for you. It doesn't require a ton of work or planning to get started as an Airbnb host. Just create an account, set up your listing, and start booking stays. Your earnings potentially depends on where you live and how nice of a space you have to offer. The nicer your digs, the more you can make. You can also charge more for holidays and big events in your area like football games, festivals, and concerts. If you live in the Boston area, you can easily make $1,000 in less than a week doing this. If you're thinking, man, I wish I could host with Airbnb, but I don't have space. Never fear, my friend, you're not out of luck yet. Airbnb now offers the opportunity to host experiences. An Airbnb experience is basically any unique and memorable activity you can offer visitors to your area. It could be a backstage tour, an aquarium, a walk with wolves, or a guided hike on a local trail. Method number 6. Drive for Lyft. As long as you have a reliable car, your license, and a keen sense of direction, consider driving for Lyft. It's a service similar to Uber where people can schedule local car rides with you. The more spare time you have to log on to the platform and accept local driving gigs, the more money you can earn. If you live in a busy city or a popular town, there should be no shortage of paid driving opportunities. Lyft typically offers a sign-up bonus based on the number of people you drive in your first month with the company. Check out the current bonus and sign up to drive for Lyft today. You can quickly earn an extra $1,000 driving for Lyft. Method number 7. Sell your stuff. Another way to earn money when you desperately need it is to sell some of the stuff you no longer need, like the guitar your parents bought you in 10th grade that you never learned to play. If you live in a busy road, this one is easy. Just set up shop in front of your home on a Saturday morning and wait for the yard salers to stroll in. For more remote locations, all it takes is a few flyers and a free advertisement in your local newspaper to get the word out. Method number 8. Get paid to tutor. Are you a math whiz? Does nothing give you more pleasure than correcting your friend's grammar on Facebook? Put those book smarts to good use. Tutoring platforms like Check are always looking for qualified applicants for subjects like English, calculus, biology, zoology, and everything in between. Check tutors make $20 per hour and get paid every Thursday. But the best part is the ability to set your own hours so you don't have to rearrange your schedule. You can teach whenever and wherever works for you. Method number 9. Write blog posts. Bloggers can make a lot of money, but it takes time to build up a site and audience from scratch. If you want to take a shortcut, consider freelance, writing for others. Method number 10. Make $1,000 per month as a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants provide administrative and technical support to businesses. You can decide which tasks you want to offer based on your experience and preferences. A few common virtual assistant tasks include email management, social media management, research, writing, graphic design. The services you offer and how you package them are entirely up to you. Many small business owners prefer hiring virtual part-time help as opposed to full-time salaried employers, mainly because it's more cost-effective. Just because it's cheaper for the business owner doesn't mean you can't make serious income as a virtual assistant. And the final one. Offer freelance services. Many companies are turning to freelancers for tasks that aren't worth it to do in-house. These tasks can range from bookkeeping and managing email to writing blog posts or building websites. Whatever your skill set, someone out there will pay you for it. The way these websites make money is usually by taking a percentage of your earnings, so be sure not to sell yourself short, or else you could end up working for pennies. With the right skills and some diligence, you can make $1,000 fast from freelancing alone. Here's where to get started. Upwork, freelancer, people per hour. Thank you for watching this video, and we're preparing for more videos, so stay tuned with our channel.